Today I'm going to be showing you how to get custom backgrounds on your Google. You will need to go to Chrome Web Store and download a Chrome Web Background Creator. Just type in background theme creator. Then you want to copy and paste this, and then it should lead you to here. Press this, and you can upload an image from your thing here. And once it's uploaded, you can customize it and then generate colors. You have to go here. Yeah. So now that we've got that, we're going to install it. And just press this. And then add theme. And then there you go. That is it. Goodbye.